Hey, Dave Nelson here with Agent Power Up. In today's video, I'm going to tell you what exactly are these things right here and what's the purpose for them in your Lofty account. So what are pipelines? So pipelines are ways to organize your leads to make sure you know where they're at in the process. Have they closed? Are they pending? Whatever it is, pipelines are fantastic. So these are going to be your pipelines. So these are the stationary ones, the ones that come with Lofty. Now, if you're joining Lofty under a team or a brokerage that has this account, you may see more or less of these based upon that team's account. But these are the basic ones that come with it. Pipelines are awesome because you click on new leads, for example. So this pipeline says new leads. So everybody in here are new leads. Attempting contact. Changing pipelines is easy too. You click here, drop it down. Super easy. But this is fantastic for you to keep all of your people in one place, but have them organized. So if you want to do a mass emailing, mass texting, whatever it is, you have them sitting in place. Now, maybe you want to create a pipeline. Maybe you want something specific to you. You can do that, again, depending on your account. Remember, this is the account I have with Real. We have full access to open all these up, and we pretty much own the site. And if you don't see this little gearbox over here and this option, probably means your plan doesn't allow you to modify this. Sorry. But if it does, you can rearrange your pipelines by doing this, delete pipelines, or if you want to add one, let's say Star Wars fans, because that's important. Okay, boom. Now it's added towards the bottom. I'm going to put them towards the top. Sweet. Save. So now there it is, Star Wars fans. So now I can easily put in Diane Alexander into my Star Wars fans. If I refresh, good. Star Wars fans has one now. There you go. That's what pipelines are. If you're not using pipelines, you're missing out and you're not organized. If you have any questions, let me know. Otherwise, don't forget, you've got the help button here. Show me how, help center. And if you think of a good idea, submit that ticket because it only benefits the entire real estate community. Thanks for watching.